Hey there, Python enthusiasts! Welcome back to the 100 Days of Python series. Today is day 11, and we're diving into the world of file handling. In this video, we'll cover reading and writing text files, working with different file modes, and handling exceptions and errors. Ready to master file operations in Python? Let's get started. Let's start with the basics of reading and writing text files. This is crucial for working with data stored in files. Here's how you can read from a text file. In this example, we use the open function to open a file in read mode, R. The with statement ensures the file is properly closed after its block of code is executed. Now, let's write to a text file. Here, we open the file in write mode, W. If the file doesn't exist, it will be created. If it does exist, its content will be overwritten. You can also append to a file without overwriting the existing content. Using append mode, you can add new content to the end of the file without erasing the existing data. Next, let's explore different file modes. Besides reading, R, writing, W, and appending, there are modes for working with binary files and more. Here's a quick overview of different file modes. R, read, default mode, file must exist. W, write, creates a new file or truncates an existing file. A, append, creates a new file or appends to an existing file. RB, read binary. WB, write binary. AB, append binary. R+, read and write, file must exist. W+, write and read, creates a new file or truncates an existing file. A+, append and read, creates a new file or appends to an existing file. Here's an example of reading and writing binary files. Binary modes are useful for handling non-text files, like images or executable files. Finally, let's talk about exception handling and error management. Proper error handling ensures your program can deal with unexpected situations gracefully. Here's how you can handle exceptions when working with files. In this example, we use a try block to attempt reading from a file. If the file doesn't exist, a file not found error is raised, and we handle it with an except block. You can catch multiple specific exceptions or a general one. You can also handle errors when writing to a file. And there you have it, folks, an introduction to reading and writing text files, working with different file modes, and handling exceptions and errors in Python. Keep practicing these concepts, and you'll be handling files like a pro in no time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that bell for more awesome Python content. See you tomorrow for day 12. Keep coding.